Good day everyone, I'm Mohd. In this video, I will be showing you this Malaysia 1995 7 series 50 ringgit banknotes. Before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So for this 7 series 50 ringgit notes is issued around 1995 to 1998, and the bank negara governor at the time is Tan Sri Dato Ahmad bin Mohd. This is how his signature on the banknote should look like. Now the size of these notes is 145 mm times 78 mm, and there are three printers for these banknotes. One is Francois Charles Oberthur. Sorry if I pronounce the name wrongly. TTR stands for Thomas Delay Rule. BA banknote, this one is from Canada. Here are the prefix for each of the printer, which I will put at the video description. There's one replacement note which is very valuable, which is from BA banknotes. As you can see, this one is kind of like 2-3 times higher than the others replacement notes. Now I'll leave the book like this in case you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the notes. Now this one I'll be showing you is a Thomas Delay Rule version. As the book stated, there are actually three printers. However, overall design will be the same. Most likely the color might be a little bit darker or lighter in certain part, but overall design is the same. So this is how the front of the notes look like. Let's turn it around. This is our Malaysia National Museum building. Here is how you check the printer name. As you can see, it's written here Thomas Delay Rule. Staying around. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.